Welcome to Soberman's Estate, located 30 miles north of the Phoenix, Arizona International Airport in the shadow of the saguaro. The Bureau of Land Management found ancient Native American pottery adjacent to the estate in the healing Sonoran Desert, and our area is now preserved and looks like it has for centuries. We are located at the northernmost part of the valley, where it is typically 10 degrees cooler than Phoenix, and where we occasionally enjoy a few minutes of snow a couple times a year. Our 5-acre estate is within walking distance to the Cave Creek Recreational Area, which has thousands of miles of fantastic and historic hiking trails. Upon entering the estate's 100-yard driveway, guests frequently comment about the calm, peaceful, healing energy they feel as they look to the east and see our labyrinth. Today, as they have done for over 800 years, people make a pilgrimage to Chartres, France to walk the ancient labyrinth. A team of professionals worked for 6 months to recreate the famous labyrinth on the grounds of Soberman's Estate. The primary difference is the Soberman's Estate labyrinth is outdoors and was built around a centerpiece ancient saguaro cactus. David, our very first client, demanded a Xanax as he was being admitted. We asked him to please take a walk on the path. We didn't mention the words meditate or labyrinth. David agreed to walk the path, and about 30 minutes later, we approached him as he was sitting in the shadow of the saguaro, and he was relaxed and completely forgot about his request for anxiety medication. Our clients enjoy the labyrinth regularly, and the labyrinth is our preferred location for our commencement stone ceremonies. Inspired by the medicine man and medicine women of our Native American geographical location, our Zen garden has 4 seating areas, each one corresponding with the 4 Native American earth elements. The earth, north section has local boulders clients can use as seats, in addition to the cushion seats. The wind, east section, features seating of the base of a handmade wind chime by Arizona's Consanti Gallery, Palo Solari. Our fire, south section, has cushioned seating by enclosed fire, making this a comfortable spot on cooler evenings. Our water, west section, features a fountain and small stage where guest speakers enjoy presenting to clients seated throughout the Zen garden. The centerpiece of our Zen garden is a traditional Asian Zen garden containing powder white sand and Zen rakes and Zen instruments clients use to create designs in the sand in a meditative manner. The Soberman's Estate greenhouse is 24 feet wide and 36 feet long and was designed to the specifications of our executive chef, who invites interested clients to join him in gathering produce that was prepared and served that very same day. Our chef prefers to grow his own produce and procure food locally so clients can enjoy a true farm-to-table experience. An experience all clients enjoy is collecting eggs from our very own chickens and enjoying them prepared by our very own executive chef the same day. "What good will petting a horse do?" said client Kurt. "There's no way I'm petting a horse," said client Mark. Well, it turns out that both Kurt and Mark are now big horse fans, and as alumni, they have encouraged our current clients not to miss out on spending time with the horses. We encourage all of our clients to participate in equine therapy. We have our own arena and barn on site, and many clients have taken home pictures of their new friends, Cowboy, Bailey, and Poco. Equine therapy regularly exceeds our clients' expectations. We have had clients of Soberman's Estate that have never held a golf club, and clients that were golf professionals. They each enjoy our putting green. While watching pros chip hole-in-one shots over the resort pool was impressive, even more impressive was watching lifelong relationships form on our putting green. We prefer to see bonding here as opposed to on our designated smoking gazebo. Bordering the southwest corner of the swimming pool is our basketball area. Many clients enjoy interacting with the real horses during the day and playing the basketball game horse the same day. Our swimming pool was designed with therapy in mind. During the warm Arizona summers, clients enjoy water exercise in the shallow section, in-pool dining by the outdoor kitchen, meditating behind the waterfall in the pool's grotto, or just floating and sunbathing. At Soberman's Estate, we absolutely insist on enjoying life. It actually does get cool in Arizona, and when it does, we swim less and hike more, but we still enjoy the water by warming up in the evening in our jacuzzi. The jacuzzi is located just over a large stone bridge, just a few steps north of the swimming pool and south of the horse arena. I, Mitch Prager, founder of Soberman's Estate, lost my brother Jeff in 2010 to drugs and alcohol. Jeff died from an accidental opioid overdose. He was 16 months older than I. Jeff and my best friend Jerry Josen, who died from alcoholism in 2012, were the inspirations for Soberman's Estate. You will often see me, or others meditating or reading or journaling on Jeff's bench, which is almost always shaded and serenaded by birdsong. You'll notice Jeff's picture on this bench. Jeff is wearing a New York Football Giants shirt. Jeff may have been the world's greatest New York Football Giants fan. Jeff's bench, along with Jerry's bench, are both located on our path of spiritual progress, which leads to our Shadow of the Saguaro Labyrinth. Most of the clients at Soberman's Estate leave with a greater appreciation of the basics of good health, proper nutrition, sleep, and exercise. During your stay at Soberman's Estate, you'll be invited and encouraged to enjoy and learn from our professional fitness coach and professional yoga instructor. Our fitness center is located on the first floor of the East House. Once being medically cleared, clients are welcome to work out on their own during open gym hours, which vary based on programming and seasons. Yes, I know, I'm not an artist either. I can hardly draw a stick figure. Good news, it's not about the quality of your artistic ability. We employ a certified art therapist who makes art therapy relaxing, enjoyable, and inspirational. You also have free time in the art studio to create your own commencement stone. Many clients learn to meditate during our hikes, and many learn to meditate by closing their eyes and listening to their favorite album from decades ago. One of our favorite times of the week is Thursdays at 7 p.m. because that's when we have our outdoor fire pit meeting with alumni and current clients. Community is so important, and we get to watch the magic happen weekly when an alumni shares his experience with a current client, and the current client has their aha moment. Our client Josh said we should have a ping pong table, and the next day we had one. I hadn't played ping pong since childhood, and one summer evening I was saying goodnight to the clients when they insisted I play doubles with them. I played and was so moved when a client said, with tears in his eyes, that this was the first time he felt joy in decades. Who would have thought that ping pong could create this magical moment? So as you've seen, the property is absolutely amazing with all the features here, but the property takes a back seat to the clinical program. We have 2 psychiatrists, a psychologist, 2 licensed professional counselors, 3 nurses, a total team of 20 professionals that care for only 5 men to 10 men at a time. It's a 10 men maximum. The foundation is of good nutrition, good sleep, exercise. The sleep program includes presidential suite mattresses, weighted blankets, essential oils. Nutrition programs includes a nutritionist, dietitian, an executive chef, a sous chef. Exercise includes an NFL football coach 3 times a week, yoga 3 times a week, and hiking on the beautiful mountains behind me.